Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a pop art zombie Christmas look. I did a pop art zombie back in July, so I'm excited to redo it just with Christmassy colors so I can see the difference between them, because the pop art zombie was my first face paint I've ever done. So I already primed my face. I'm gonna put on a little headband. To begin, I'm going to fill in this section of my forehead for the brain. The brain will be red. Now I want to create outlines on my face for where I'm going to put everything. So I want to map out where the pop art side is going to go and where the zombie side is going to go. I'm just going to outline it in black because everything's going to be covered later. Next, I'm going to map out the teeth. So you kind of just want to do repeated U's and then connect them. Or bats. Bats works. This part can be messy. We're going to fix it later. So the first line, I don't want you to touch your lip. So you're going to begin just like so. And now upside down U's. Repeat on the other side. We are going to be creating the brain effect. So with your black, I just want you to do a bunch of squiggly lines inside the red that we created. So the first time I made this look, my issue was I made the brain look very squared, all the lines inside. You want to make sure that they kind of have the shape of a bean, or else it'll be very choppy. We don't want that. Now with baby blue, I want us to create a puddle of water / a tear underneath our eye that the color is going to go. So this side is going to be my zombie side. It's going to be all green with a puddle. This side, we're going to do a teardrop. With the same blue, I'm going to be doing 2 puddles underneath the brain to make it look like it's oozing. Okay, so right now I'm just mapping out the ribs, and halfway through it, I decided that this side was starting to look like a Christmas tree. So then I was like, oh my god, let me just do a full Christmas tree. So now we kind of have a Christmas tree. Black is the worst color to mess up with. Like, hello? So I was wondering why I couldn't see anything, and then I realized my light wasn't even on, so hello. We are going to fill our face in with green. First, with a baby brush, I want you to pick up some black, and you're just going to be creating the outline for the ribs. What I'm going to start with is filling all the parts that are not ribbon with red and a little bit of black for shading. So now, inside the ribs, we're gonna make a candy cane design. So white, red, white, red. We're just gonna do stripes. Inside the ribs, we're gonna paint all white. Our next step is to create the candy cane red stripes inside the white ribs. Next, we are going to be filling in the teeth with white paint. Stop. If you are not already subscribed to this channel, I want you to click that subscribe button and hit the bell if you want to be notified when I post videos. Now with the thinnest brush I own, I'm going to use black paint and create details in the teeth. So first I want to create a line right in the center just to make the divide, and then I want to make the teeth marks. So we'll start with that. Now inside the teeth that we created, just draw little lines and cracks for grime and making the teeth look dirty. Next, I will be using the same brush to make the nose. I want to do like a sort of skeleton type nose. Now I want to outline everything in black and create little lines on the face for extra detail. Following the pattern of the puddle under the eye, create black lines. Next, with black, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows, and the side with the tear, I want to make the eyebrow tip upward to make it look like I'm crying. So we want a furrowed brow look. Next step, fill the lip in with red. Next, with white paint, I'm going to be creating a winged liner on both eyes. Next, we are doing the candy cane stripes inside the eyeliner and on the lip. Our very last step is to create white dots on all the parts of our skin that have not been painted yet. This will make us look more like the comic book characters. The easiest way to create dots is by using the back of your paintbrush. If you want your dots to be different sizes, use the back of bigger paintbrushes and smaller paintbrushes, and that will give you variation between the dots. Here is the final look. Our Christmas zombie is completed. I hope you liked this video. Comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at AlessiaCalcanio, and I will see you in the next video.